What's up guys, my name is Way Forward. Welcome to my Visual Basic tutorial, and in this tutorial I'll be talking about something very interesting in Visual Basic. It is modulus. So what modulus is, modulus returns the remainder of a division. Let's say we are to divide 10 divided by 2. Normally a simple division is going to give us 5, but modulus won't give us 5. Modulus is going to give us 0. So what it does is it returns the remainder of a division. I believe you all get this. So let me do something here. Modulus example. Let's say 10 divided by 5. The modulus is going to give you 0. But a simple division, let me say division. Division is division of 10 divided by 5 equals 2. So you get this. A modulus will return the remainder of a division, while a division will return the division of the division. Sure about that. So I believe we'll understand this. A modulus will return the remainder of a division. So let's say this, what we have here is 3, and we know 3 divided by this, I think it is 3. That's 3 times 3, that's 9. It's going to remain 1. That's modulus. But when we divide this by 3, then we should have 3, maybe 3 point something, or maybe 3.1 or 3.12. So that's what a modulus is. So in this example, the example says that we should write a program that will test if the entered value is a multiple of 2, and the multiple of 2 are those numbers that can be divided by 2 and then there won't be any remainder. So in order to do that, I think we need to use modulus. So I've already written the program down. This is it. It's just a simple program like that. So that's just about modulus. It returns the remainder of a division. So in here now we want to test for the multiple. So this is how it goes. This is let me go to the design. I have a text field here and then a button. So when this button is clicked, it's going to print out whether the value in the text field is a multiple of 2. So to test for that now is I had to declare a variable which is num1, and then I pass in the value of what is in the text box. I have to pass it to num1, then I need to test for num1. So if num1 mod 2 equals to 0, so what this simply means that what is in num1 will be divided by 2, and if the remainder, that is why I put it in an if condition, if this divided by 2 equals to 0, then it is a multiple of 2. I believe you understand that. So let me run this program for you to see. So now let's first test a number which is not a multiple of 2, which is 1. You can see no output, but when we type, let's say, a multiple of 2, which is 6, you can see it is a multiple of 2. So we can as well use the else statement to show if it is not a multiple of 2, like else, then the message box will say Ctrl C, Ctrl V. You can see. So now let me just make this looks beautiful by saying num1. So it's gonna print out the number. It's gonna say what is in num1. It's gonna get what is in num1. So it's gonna display that here. It is not a multiple of 2. So let's run this. So if I type 1, you will see 1 is not a multiple of 2, and then 2, it is a multiple of 2. 268, it is a multiple of 2. Then when 1 is here, you can see it is not a multiple of 2. So this is a simple way to test if a number is a multiple of itself. So depending on the program you want to test, if it is a multiple of 4, just change this to 4. So we're going to change this to 4. I'm going to change this to 4. So let's run this. A multiple of 4, I think 16 is a multiple of 4. You can see it is a multiple of 4, and then 161, it is not a multiple of 4. You can see. So depending on what you want to do, if you want to test for a multiple of 5, just change this to 555. So this is just a simple way to test for it, and then this is the design behind the program. So I think I've been able to explain what a modulus is. So a modulus can be used to do a lot of things depending on the program you want to write. Is a very useful method in Visual Basic. So thank you for watching, and always remember to subscribe on my channel. It's the Way Forward Academy. Peace out.
Take